guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Valentino, and today guys I have a good news. We're gonna take my 2015 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 10 on a quick test drive. Finally, last week I got my E85 flex fuel pump tune done. The car is on like 55% of E85. We're gonna go do some pulls, gonna do some POV videos, maybe we race with someone if I find someone on the street. And also I hope I won't get pulled over. Gonna do some aggressive loud sound with the open dump and full titanium exhaust. Here is the car. Let's do a quick cold start. Got 56.9% of ethanol, E85, more than half of a tank, so let's go. Can I close this? So guys, how I say that I just got the tune done on my flex fuel pump, and today it's gonna be my first day driving it on E85, like more than half of a tank. I tried to make it, but the light turned red, so I was thinking I'm gonna make it. I'm excited to see what this car makes right now. Because before I used to run the car on only 20% of E85. I couldn't put more than that because the car was not tuned for it, just the flex fuel pump. And yeah, I got it done right now. Not excited, but super excited to see what the car makes. And let's make this video together, have some fun, and maybe we'll find someone to race. You never know. Pontiac, I'm not sure. But that's the car right there. Maybe he'll come behind. I don't know, I think it's a Pontiac, I'm not sure. Yeah, he's behind me, he's coming. Let me do some... He is coming, guys. I see he has some gauges as well, like on the side. So that should be like a turbo or something. It's like a Pontiac. Yeah, it's a Pontiac, it's not a Mustang. I don't know much about these cars, my apologies. I did like a small pull, but he's not coming. A lot of people get scared because of my open dump, like they think, oh, this car is something crazy, like oh my gosh, big turbo or some shit like that. But bro, it's just stage 1 turbo. Just, yeah, he's not coming. He moved on my lane and then he moved back on the right. How we call them, pussy? I just need something. I wanna race with someone. Why nobody comes? We're just gonna go chill for now, because there is a lot of cars, but if I have opportunity to do a pull, I will definitely do a pull. And if I find someone to race, I got the GoPro there, we're ready. We have the baby on E85 making over 400 horsepower, and yeah, let's just do it. If I get anything, guys, put the camera on back. Nobody wants to come. Nobody wants to come. I literally just passed him. He was on 4th gear. They just get scared of the exhaust. Actually, he's coming. He is coming, guys. He's on my ass. He's behind me, but I can go faster because there is a lot of cars in front. So maybe in a little bit. Yo guys, finally we made it. 370Z. Some music Oh my gosh, look at these headlights. RGB. Kind of like my EVO, it's just different. Same thing right here. Damn. We actually didn't want to go to a car meet, but we found this and we came. There is another EVO there.
Prenando loca por la medicina, estamos los 90, los pares de marquesina. Si tú frenas pa' mi bloquea, foto que te fascina. Si no hay en el calle, no hay que yo no vendo purina. Yo quiero prenando loca por la medicina, estamos los 90.
Cops coming, guys. We literally just stayed like 10 minutes and they just pulled up. Everybody running. This is crazy. Cops came, everybody leaving.